In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable BandLab pop-up notifications. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you are receiving a lot of alerts from BandLab and you like to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just look for this app info page and you can simply do that through settings. So I'll go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search bar here. So if you tap on it, you can see we have the app info page here. This is where we shall do our settings. However, if you can't access this app info page, then go back and find your app, then long press on it, and you should see now app info. If you tap on it, it will take you to the same app info page. Head to permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are on. That's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. Put an end to this, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive those pop-up notifications from BandLab. So that's how you can disable pop-up notifications from BandLab. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.